Academic and professional profile. Apprentice name Ferney Castro Cuellar. From Acevedo Vila. Class Country 466341. Instructor Rafael Núñez Díaz. Activity names: trajectory, plans, actions, and solutions in their academic and professional context. Trajectory, plans, and solutions. My careers, past plans, and professional adaptability. In today's fast-paced corporate where leadership and flexibility are not the opposite, they are absolute necessities. Throughout my academic journey and work experience, I have learned that making decisions under pressure, difference, and professional to responsibility. If you were in a dynamic environment, adaptability always leads to better solutions. These universal truths I apply every day. When unexpected changes happen in my projects, I don't panic. Instead, I analyze the situations and adjust our strategy. In my current role, leadership means taking responsibility for the team's outcomes while remaining open to new ideas. Looking ahead, I have clear goals for my professional career. If I complete my advanced certification this year and will apply for managerial position with my company, I am convinced that those steps will allow me to gain others and implement strategic solutions on a larger scale. However, leadership also requires clear thinking about hypothetical scenarios. If I had the opportunity to lead a global Raymond team, I would focus heavily on self-foundation and the clear communication platforms. I know that managing people from different careers requires a high emotional intelligence and adaptability, and I am actively preparing myself for those kinds of challenges. Ultimately, we're facing daily routines or planning long-term solution. Success comes down to how flexibility we navigate change and how responsibly we make decisions.